discussing chapter 8 Human Health and Diseases, and today we will discuss next topic of this chapter. This is AIDS. What is AIDS? AIDS is a disease. The full form of AIDS is acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. What is the meaning of syndrome? Syndrome means group of disease or symptoms. Group of disease or symptoms. Deficiency means loss. Acquired immuno means immunity. That means in this disease loss of immunity takes place and group of symptoms or disease occurs. Clear? So why we call this disease syndrome? Why we call it syndrome? Yes, AIDS को syndrome लिखा जाता है. AIDS considered as a syndrome because after entering the body of healthy person, disease causing viruses spread from lymph node to all over the body, and it destroys body's immunity, and so body is no longer able to fight off many minor infections. ओके, क्या करेगा? अगर इसका वायरस जो है, एड्स का वायरस एक बार हेल्थी पर्सन की बॉडी के अंदर एंटर हो गया तो वो लिम्फ नोड से होता हुआ उसकी पूरी बॉडी के अंदर स्प्रेड हो जाता है और उसकी बॉडी की इम्यूनिटी को क्या कर देता है? डिस्ट्रॉय कर देता है. तो इसके बाद जो पर्सन है वो क्या है, छोटे माइनर इन्फेक्शन से भी फाइट नहीं कर पाता. इवन अ स्मॉल कोल्ड इन्फेक्शन कैन टर्न इनटू निमोनिया. ओके, छोटा सा मतलब कोल्ड हुआ है वो भी क्या किसका रूप ले लेते हैं? किसमें टर्न हो जाता है? निमोनिया के अंदर. ओके, एंड द इफेक्ट ऑफ माइनर डिजीज becomes too severe that they kill the patient who is suffering from disease. Clear? So why we call it syndrome? Yes, AIDS is considered as a syndrome because after entering the body of healthy person, disease causing virus spreads from lymph nodes to all over the body. And destroy body's immunity, destroy body's immunity. So the body against minor infections. Even a small cold, even a small cold infection can turn into pneumonia. The effect of minor diseases becomes too severe that they kill the patient who suffering from AIDS. So, AIDS is a fast spreading incurable disease. That means it has no cure. Okay, so AIDS is a fast spreading incurable disease because it destroys the body's immunity, so our body will not able to fight against minor infections. So it is a fast spreading incurable disease. That means it has no cure. It was first detected in June 1981. Detected in June 1981 in US. Okay, it was first detected in June 1981 in US. Now we see causative agent of AIDS. Yes, causative agent of AIDS is retrovirus HIV. HIV, the full form of HIV is human immunodeficiency virus. So the virus that destroys the immunity in humans is HIV. Okay, so it is a serious health problem, and AIDS is a serious health problem and is caused by retrovirus HIV. Okay, and the virus weakens the human body's immunity. This virus weakens the human body's immunity or self-defense mechanism. Immunity is the self-defense mechanism. So the person becomes prone to many other infections. Okay, this virus weakens the human body's immunity or the self-defense mechanism, and so the person becomes prone to many other infections. यानी बहुत इन्फेक्शन उसमें होना स्टार्ट हो जाते हैं, बिकॉज the immunity of that person becomes weak or destroyed. Okay, this is the structure of HIV. Sometimes the structure of HIV asked in exam. ठीक है, उसका सिंपली डायग्राम पूछ लिया जाता है, उसकी स्ट्रक्चर पूछ ली जाती है. Okay, now we see the structure of HIV. It has protein envelope. Outer side it has protein envelope enclosing the RNA genome. This is the RNA genome. So it has protein envelope that surround the RNA genome. Okay. They also contain the reverse transcriptase gene. It also has reverse transcriptase gene. Okay, structure of HIV. They have an envelope that are made up of protein, and it also has lipid membrane. Okay, it has an envelope of protein enclosing the RNA genome. They also contain the reverse transcriptase gene. Clear? Causative agent of AIDS is retrovirus HIV. Okay, this virus weakens the human body's immunity, and so the person becomes prone to many other infections. The structure of HIV, it has an envelope of protein enclosing the RNA genome. It also contains the reverse transcriptase gene. Now we see how HIV affects the body. How HIV affects the body of a person. Yes. How HIV affects the body. Yes, how HIV affects the body. The virus enters the body of the person, healthy person, and infects the macrophages. Macrophages are the cells that destroy the pathogen. So this virus first infects the macrophages, and the RNA genome of the virus starts replicate to form viral DNA with the help of reverse transcriptase enzyme. Okay, with the help of a reverse transcriptase enzyme, it forms viral DNA. This viral DNA incorporated into the host cell's DNA and then directs the infected cells to produce more virus particles. In this way, virus spread in the body of person and affect the body. Clear? Now we see how HIV affects the body with an diagram. Yes, this is the diagram of replication of retrovirus. This is the retrovirus, viral protein coat. Okay, outside viral RNA core. This is the viral RNA core. वायरस इन्फेक्ट्स नॉर्मल सेल को ये इन्फेक्ट करेगा, एंड वायरल आरएनए इज इंट्रोड्यूस्ड इनटू द सेल. आफ्टर एंटरिंग in the person's body, it infects the macrophages and starts replication. Okay, it replicates to form viral DNA. Viral DNA with the help of reverse transcriptase. So viral DNA is produced by the reverse transcriptase. After that, this viral DNA incorporate into the host genome. होस्ट डीएनए, क्योंकि हमारी बॉडी के अंदर जो जीनोम है वो डीएनए है, और वायरस की बॉडी में जो जीनोम है वो क्या है, आरएनए है. ओके, तो दिस वायरल डीएनए इनकॉर्पोरेट इनटू द होस्ट जीनोम डीएनए, होस्ट डीएनए, एंड देन directs the infected cell to produce more viral particles. Then the new viral RNA is produced by the infected cell. Okay, after that, this infected cell produce new viral RNA. Okay, and this new viral RNA replicates, increase their number. Okay, new viral can infect other cells. In this way, these new viruses affect other cells. Clear? So this is the replication of virus, or the HIV, how HIV affects the body. I hope you understand this topic. Mode of transmission, symptoms, detection, preventive measures, treatment, we will discuss in our next video. Till that time, watch video carefully, read this topic from your book. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.